So YouTube has been trying really hard to make shorts and your actual YouTube channel kind of mesh together better. So they've done actually this really cool update that actually allows people who are watching your shorts to be more connected to your actual channel and your full-length videos. And now you can easily just make shorts out of your actual YouTube videos like very quickly on the YouTube app and post them immediately to YouTube. And when people are watching those YouTube shorts, it actually directs them right to your channel. So let's just get into the YouTube app, and I just want to show you how easy it is to do that. So go to the YouTube app, click that. And so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna navigate to your library and just look for one of your videos. I'm gonna pick this one, the Sony a7 III video. Go to this guy right here. It's where it says create. Click that. You're gonna go edit into a short. And so now it just takes you right into the shorts page. And so what you're gonna do is it gives you pretty limited amount of tools. You're able to make a short out of like any video, which is like really cool. It's giving me 15 seconds right now. You can click this guy up here. You can go 60 seconds if you want. And then this guy you can drag, so you're selecting 60 seconds. I'm gonna move the timestamp around and just sort of pick a part in the video where I want it to be a short. So I kind of like the intro, so I think I'm just gonna go straight from the intro, but you can kind of select any part of your video that you find fascinating, or if you like are highlighting something and you really wanna make a short about that, you can do that. Okay, so after you kind of have that portion selected, you're just gonna click next. There's kind of a limited amount of tools that you can use, like you can't really add a whole lot. You can go into the timeline and select, I think you can add some text. Yeah, you can add some text. Yeah, I think that's about it. There's actually not a whole lot that you can do. I don't know why YouTube does this, but you still can't change the thumbnail, which is weird because thumbnails on YouTube are very important, but I'm sure that they're gonna fix that soon. I'm sure, I hope so. And yeah, after you're done that, all you gotta do is just give it a caption. I'm just gonna do, okay, so basically after you've done your title and added your hashtags, you just go upload short, and you know, it's that easy. This is the best part about the update, because I think there's always been sort of disconnection between shorts and your actual full videos. I actually have a video on Instagram that has 300,000 likes. Like, look at this video. It was just a silly video about my MacBook, like changing from the old one into the new one. And it ended up getting like 370 something K views, which is like insane. That didn't change my subscriber base. They didn't change anything about my YouTube channel. It just like equated to nothing, which kind of sucks. I want it to kind of direct them to my actual channel. And holy crap, man, the comment section in this thing, people are savage. I just feel like it's like a beer league hockey team in here. Everyone's just like yelling at me, just being like, this is the dumbest crap I've ever seen. Once your YouTube short is uploaded, this is the coolest part. So you click the video, someone's watching your YouTube short right now. Right down here, it says created by Bryce Cobell. And now when people click that, it takes them right to the video. And I think that is the coolest part, because if you want to like gain some traction on old videos, or you just want to direct people to your channel, they've made it so that you can just directly go right to your channel. And I try to do this on Instagram, where I will put the link in my story so that people can go to my channel, but totally just like streamlines the whole shorts and long form content, you know, because for a long time, I think a lot of people, including me, felt pressured to make shorts, but we didn't really know how it was helping us out. You know, it was like sort of unrelated. You had to like make your own short on like in a separate edit and then bring it in, and it was kind of a pain. Whenever I would make shorts, what I would do is I would take the video on DaVinci Resolve, I would take the timeline and then I would duplicate it, and then I would change the aspect ratio into vertical, and then I would resize everything, and I would have to make like a whole new short. It just takes you right to your channel, and like I think it's gonna be really helpful for a lot of people who are trying to grow their channel, or who are just trying to gain a wider audience. But that's another story. That's another video, because it's exhausting. And you know, if you're exhausted from all of this, you know, just know that you're not alone. We're all still trying to figure this out. But yeah, I kind of hope that this helps you out, because it'll just make this whole process a lot easier and a lot less stressful, and it just makes sense. It's cool. I like it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And now that that took like 5 seconds, I'm gonna go outside and breathe the fresh air, or go for a bike ride or something. I don't know. We'll see. Okay. Peace.